a boxer turtle. If this thing falls backwards, I'm gonna laugh hysterically. And then go get help.
And we have a video for America's Funniest Videos.
Hey dude, look at how hot it is in there. I think reptiles are so cool. He's actually one of the fastest turtles I've ever seen. Oh, eat it. Oh, he's eating. Shh.
Isn't that funny, Michael?
Yeah. Why is he trying to eat his waterbowl?
Get Emma and Luke.
Emma, Luke, over here. We have two world's funniest videos.
Look at him, he's attacking his water bowl.
It was funny in the first video.
He does this over and over.
He doesn't get that he can't eat it.
I mean, I could pick any game.
Are you gonna enter this?
Probably.
Me and Rhea are gonna enter this. And then split the prize money.
50-50 for the prize money.
Yeah.
You get $50 just for entering.
Seriously? Yeah.
You get 1,000 for
winning.
Yeah.
Me and Reed would split the.
No, it's 10,000 for winning. 1,000 for making it to the second level.
Me and Reed would we would split the entering money and then split the money that we got for which if we won. Anything. Scratch.
Make it convincing enough to make it seem more funny.
What?
Make it convincing enough to make it seem more funny. Emma, come here. Make it seem more funny.
Lonnie. No. Dude, you got his head stuck. It was a baby nature. It was a bad bird.
We should post this on YouTube.
Oh, shit.
Do you think I've got enough video of it?
Yeah.
Wait, no, he's... I'll post this on YouTube today.
You get a 5-minute video.
Okay.
5-minute video, it'll probably just get some 1 minute read.
Yeah, 1 minute's fine. We have 3.
He just moved his water bowl.
No, it's funny. I could watch this turtle all day. Hey, could you split the prize money with me? No.
I'll consider it.
Don't consider it. Give me 25%, not half.
I'll give you $25.
There's only
No, 25%.
out of your half. Out of your half. Not mine.
25% of what you get, and then you split that.
We should only
We'll think about
we
it.
should post this one on YouTube and then the other one on America's Funniest Videos.
Give us a second. Let's wait for a little bit longer. Make it 5 minutes.
He's kept it up for a good time.
He could just do this all day.
I know. His teeth are probably like dead right now.
He's really good at moving it.
Yeah, I'm not sure about eating it though. Does he even have food in there? No.
Probably not now, but they probably feed him.
Yeah. Probably hungry. The poor little guy. I wish there was like a hole where I could like stick some breadcrumbs in or something. This is so funny. He's trying to fight it and bring it in his shell.